A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Wyandotte, Northeastern Johnson, Southwestern Clay, Southeastern Platte and Northwestern Jackson counties. At 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kansas City, or near Edwardsville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Overland Park, Shawnee, Gladstone, Merriam, Mission, Bonner Springs, Parkville, Edwardsville, North Kansas City, Fairway, Mission Hills, Riverside, Weatherby Lake, Westwood, Lake Quivira, Kansas City, Kansas, Kansas City, Lake Ocamas, Platte Woods, and Westwood Hills. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 410 and 423. Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 35 in Kansas between mile markers 228 and 235. Interstate 29 between mile markers 2 and 8. Interstate 635 between mile markers 0 and 12. Interstate 435 between mile markers 9 and 21. Kansas Turnpike near mile marker 226. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 100 am Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Kansas and west central Missouri. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or a small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. & thunderstorm damage threat. Destructive hail threat. Observed max hail size 2.75 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.